How are you doing, guys? I'll show you a quick way to replace iPhone back glass in this video. So usually if you want to replace the cracked back glass after removing the old one and you're trying to put a new piece on, you quickly figure out it doesn't fit because the camera hole here is smaller than the camera ring. So we've got to make a small cut and remove the camera ring, put this back, put the ring back. That's a lot of unnecessary work. The good news is we don't have to do that anymore. Introducing this new back glass with a bigger camera hole, and boom, it fits right away. We now have this back glass available for iPhone 10, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 8. We'll soon have the full range available. I'll put the product link in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. I'll see you guys next time.